What is the difference between factory, industry and company? A factory, industry, and company are all related to the production of goods and services, but they have different meanings. A factory is a physical location where raw materials or components are transformed into finished products. Factories typically involve large-scale production and use specialized machinery and equipment to produce goods efficiently. Examples of factories include textile mills, automobile assembly plants, and food processing facilities. An industry, on the other hand, is a broader term that encompasses all the companies involved in the same type of business activity. An industry can include multiple factories, companies, and organizations that are all engaged in the same type of production or service. For example, the automotive industry includes all the companies that manufacture cars, such as General Motors, Toyota, and Ford. A company, on the other hand, is an organization that produces goods or provides services for profit. A company can be a single entity or a group of entities, and it can operate in various industries. For example, Apple Inc. is a company that produces and sells consumer electronics, such as iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks, in the technology industry. In summary, a factory is a physical location where goods are produced. An industry is a group of companies that operate in the same type of business activity, and a company is an organization that produces goods or provides services for profit.